How exactly is a bottle of oil produced? The core of the 8th step, the extraction section, is using food-grade solvents. Hexane extracts oil from raw materials, followed by separation and purification. After soybean meal is transported to the extraction workshop via a scraper conveyor, it then enters the extractor in order through a feeding auger. Food-grade hexane solvent is added to the extractor, fully dissolving the oil in the pulp meal. This process gives two products, wet meal and micella. The wet meal goes through a desalventizer toaster to remove solvents, resulting in the familiar soybean meal mainly used for animal feed. The micella moves onto the evaporation system, then to a stripping tower to completely remove residual solvents. Finally, crude soybean oil is obtained to meet customer needs. Huatai Group offers customized extractors in 3 types: horizontal rotary extractors, annular extractors, and jack chain extractors. These 3 specifications grade efficient extraction of various oilseeds, including soybeans, rice bran, corn germ, sunflower seeds, cotton seeds, rapeseed, and sand beans. Notably, crude oil contains various impurities and requires refining to meet food safety standards. Huatai Grain and Oil's advanced manufacturing tool is a key cornerstone for the efficient and safe operation of the entire industrial China. In the next episode, we will focus on how crude oil is refined.